Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the mesmerizing world of Apsara Rani beach fashion. Apsara Rani effortlessly embraces the beauty of nature with her choice of vibrant floral bikinis. It's a perfect blend of elegance and tropical vibes. The actress proves that simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, showcasing the timeless appeal of this wardrobe staple. The actress channels her inner free spirit with fringe detailing on her bikini. It's the perfect choice for a carefree and stylish beach day. Her triangle bikinis are a timeless choice. Available in an array of colors and prints, these bikinis offer a perfect balance of simplicity and allure. Adjustable ties ensure a customized fit, making them a go-to for any beach adventure. For those who appreciate a bit more coverage, her high-waisted bikini bottoms are a game-changer. These not only provide a flattering silhouette but also add a retro chic vibe to your beach ensemble. Mix and match with various tops for a versatile look. Apsara Rani's mastery of the flowy cover-up. Whether it's a sheer sarong or a bohemian-inspired kimono, she effortlessly adds an ethereal touch to her beach ensemble. The actress showcases her playful side with vibrant and eye-catching printed swimsuits. From tropical motifs to bold geometrics, she knows how to make a statement in the sun. She elevates her beach look with a variety of stylish hats, wide-brimmed fedoras, and floppy hats, adding both flair and sun protection. She proves that high-waisted bikini bottoms are not just a trend, they're a beachside essential, providing both comfort and a touch of retro elegance. The actress embraces boho chic with her choice of beach jewelry. Think layered necklaces, statement bracelets, and anklets that complement the carefree spirit of beach days. Apsara Rani effortlessly embraces the quintessential beach look with her signature loose and tousled waves. It's the perfect balance between casual and chic, capturing the essence of sun-kissed beauty. She showcases her bohemian spirit with intricate braided crowns. Whether it's a simple side braid or an elaborate braided halo, she adds a touch of romance to her beach hairstyles. Apsara proves that keeping it casual doesn't mean sacrificing style. Her laid-back messy buns are the epitome of easy breezy elegance, making them a perfect choice for a day by the sea. The actress effortlessly balances style and practicality with her half-up, half-down hairstyles. It's a versatile choice that keeps her hair off her face while maintaining a playful, beachy vibe. Apsara adds a touch of whimsy to her beach hairstyles with flower adornments. Whether it's a single bloom tucked behind her ear or a crown of blossoms, she embraces nature's beauty in her hair. The actress often adorns her beach look with elaborate braids. From fishtails to waterfall braids, she weaves an intricate tapestry into her hair, creating a bohemian allure that's both whimsical and sophisticated. Elevating the classic ponytail, she introduces texture and volume. Her textured ponytails are a playful twist on a timeless style, adding a touch of beachy charm that effortlessly transitions from day to night. Apsara embraces the natural texture of her hair with luscious beach curls. This look radiates a carefree vibe, capturing the essence of windswept beauty that perfectly complements a day spent seaside. The actress occasionally opts for mermaid-inspired waves. These long, cascading waves evoke a sense of oceanic enchantment, making her the beach goddess she truly is. She takes her beach hairstyles to the next level with statement accessories. Whether it's seashell clips, delicate headbands, or bejeweled hairpins, she knows how to turn her tresses into works of art. The actress embraces a sun-kissed glow that enhances her natural beauty. Soft bronzer, a hint of blush, and luminous highlighter create a radiant complexion that mirrors the warmth of the beach. She often opts for effortless eye looks featuring neutral tones, sandy browns, and shimmering golds. Whether it's a subtle swipe of eyeshadow or a touch of mascara, her eyes reflect the tranquility of the ocean. Apsara Rani isn't afraid to make a statement with her lip choices. From vibrant corals to deep berry hues, she adds a pop of color that effortlessly transitions from day to night, embodying the spirit of a beach goddess. The actress knows the importance of long-lasting makeup, especially by the water. She incorporates waterproof mascara and smudge-resistant eyeliner to ensure her look stays flawless, no matter the beach activities. Apsara achieves a fresh, dewy finish with the strategic use of hydrating setting sprays. This luminous glow captures the essence of a day spent under the sun, radiating health and vitality. Adding a touch of sparkle, Apsara Rani occasionally incorporates glittering accents into her beach makeup. Whether it's a subtle shimmer on the lids or a hint of sparkle on the cheekbones, she elevates her look with a touch of seaside glamour. The actress experiments with beachy eyeliner styles, creating soft waves or subtle flicks that echo the rhythmic patterns of the ocean. It's a playful twist on the classic liner, adding an artistic flair to her gaze. Apsara embraces coral-inspired blush tones that mimic the delicate hues of seashells. The subtle flush adds a touch of warmth to her cheeks, completing the sun-kissed allure of her beach makeup. Mastering the art of multi-dimensional glow, the actress strategically places highlighter on various points of her face. The high points of her cheeks, the bridge of her nose, and Cupid's bow all catch the light, creating a radiant, ethereal effect. She occasionally indulges in beach-inspired lip art. Think ombre effects, sea-inspired hues, or even lip gloss that mimics the glistening reflection of sunlight on water. Her lips become a canvas for seaside creativity. Apsara Rani opts for a water-resistant base that stands up to the challenges of the beach environment. Her choice of long-wearing foundation and concealer ensures a picture-perfect complexion even after a refreshing deep in the ocean. The actress occasionally embraces an eyeshadow palette inspired by the hues of seafoam, soft greens and blues that beautifully capture the tranquility of the ocean. Her eyes become a mesmerizing reflection of the sea. Apsara incorporates a sunlit inner corner highlight, using champagne or gold shades to brighten and awaken her eyes. It's a subtle yet effective detail that enhances her overall beachy gaze. Beyond the face, the actress extends her beach theme to her fingertips with seaside-inspired nail art. Think ocean blues, sandy neutrals, and seashell motifs that seamlessly complement her overall beach look. She employs a misting technique, lightly spritzing her face with a refreshing setting spray. This not only sets her makeup but also mimics the sensation of a cool ocean breeze on her skin. A luminous glow with the beach strobing technique. Apsara Rani takes highlighting to the next level by strategically applying luminous products along the high points of her face. The result is a radiant, dewy complexion that mirrors the natural reflections of sunlight on the water. The actress occasionally incorporates playful eyeliner accents reminiscent of palm leaves, waves, or seashells. These intricate details add a touch of exotic flair to her beach makeup, turning her eyes into works of art. Apsara embraces the 80s-inspired blush draping technique with coral and peach tones. The application extends from her cheeks to her temples, creating a sculpted yet sun-kissed effect that complements her beach goddess aesthetic. The actress occasionally enhances her beach makeup with mermaid-inspired false lashes. These whimsical additions create a dreamy gaze, adding an enchanting touch that captures the allure of mythical seaside creatures. She plays with gradient lip colors, transitioning from warm oranges to deep reds. This sunset-inspired lip look not only complements the beach ambience but also adds a touch of drama, making her lips the focal point of her mesmerizing makeup. Apsara Rani elevates her beach look with an array of statement sunglasses. From oversized frames to classic aviators, each pair not only shields her eyes but also adds a touch of chic flair to her beach ensemble. Embracing the laid-back charm of the coast, Apsara often layers delicate necklaces to create a beach-inspired jewelry statement. Seashells, starfish, and pearls intertwine, capturing the essence of the ocean around her neck. The actress embraces wide-brimmed hats that not only protect her from the sun but also serve as a fashionable accessory. Whether it's a floppy hat or a stylish fedora, she effortlessly combines practicality with panache. Carrying the beach essentials in style, she opts for chic beach bags. Whether it's a woven tote, a vibrant beach clutch, or a transparent PVC bag showcasing her beach must-haves, her choice in bags is always on point. Down to the details. The actress adorns her ankles with delicate anklets and toe rings, creating a subtle melody with each step in the sand. These small accessories add a touch of bohemian charm to her beach look. Apsara Rani extends the beach theme to her hair with shell-adorned accessories. From hairpins to barrettes, these subtle yet intricate details transform her locks into a canvas of ocean-inspired elegance. She introduces beach scarves into her accessory repertoire. Whether tied as a headscarf, draped over her shoulders, or used as a sarong, these scarves add a playful touch of color and texture to her beach looks. The actress embraces the art of stacking bracelets, combining various materials such as beads, shells, and metallic accents. Each stack tells a beachy story, creating a rhythmic melody with her every movement. Apsara frequently chooses coastal-inspired earrings, featuring motifs like seashells, starfish, or waves. These statement earrings frame her face with a touch of seaside whimsy, completing her beach-ready look. The actress extends her accessory game to her feet with embellished sandals. Beaded, sequined, or adorned with shells, her footwear becomes a canvas for creativity, adding an extra layer of charm to her beach style. Apsara Rani introduces handcrafted shell belts into her accessory repertoire. These intricate belts, adorned with various seashells and beach-inspired charms, not only define her waistline but also add a touch of artisanal elegance to her beach looks. The actress occasionally graces her beachwear with delicate body chains. Strategically placed to highlight her curves, these chains add a touch of sophistication and allure, turning her beach ensemble into a captivating work of art. She introduces coastal-inspired brooches into her accessory collection. Whether pinned on her hat, scarf, or beach bag, these small but detailed embellishments infuse her looks with a hint of nautical charm. Apsara occasionally opts for customized jewelry sets that tell a cohesive seaside narrative. Matching earrings, bracelets, and necklaces adorned with beachy elements create a unified and glamorous beach ensemble. She takes beach accessories to the next level by customizing her beach umbrella. Decorated with hanging seashells, fabric patterns inspired by ocean waves, and fringe details, her umbrella becomes an extension of her stylish beach aesthetic. Apsara Rani embraces the practical and chic addition of beachy hand fans. Whether adorned with tropical prints or featuring intricate seashell designs, these fans become both a functional accessory and a statement piece on a warm beach day. The actress transforms the mundane beach towel into a fashion statement. Coordinated with her beachwear, these towels feature playful prints, fringe details, or even personalized monograms, adding a touch of luxury to her seaside lounging. She occasionally embraces seaside-inspired temporary tattoos. From delicate seashell patterns on her wrists to intricate ocean-themed designs along her collarbone, these tattoos add a touch of whimsy and a hint of rebellious charm to her beach look. The actress customizes her beach hats with unique bands. Adorned with beads, charms, or even personalized embroidery, these bands transform her hats into one-of-a-kind accessories that perfectly capture the spirit of the seaside. She introduces beach purses with hidden compartments into her accessory repertoire. Cleverly designed to keep her essentials secure, these purses feature shells or charms that conceal practical compartments, adding an element of mystery to her beach adventures. The actress extends her beach aesthetic to her phone accessories. Adorned with coastal motifs, seashell patterns, or even miniature beach scenes, her phone cases become miniature works of art, reflecting her love for the seaside. She takes beach umbrellas to new heights by decorating them with intricate embellishments. Tassels, hanging shells, and woven patterns turn her umbrella into a stylish beach haven, providing shade with a touch of glamour. The actress demonstrates various beach-themed scarf tying techniques. From turban-inspired wraps to loose knots adorned with seashell charms, she transforms the humble scarf into a versatile accessory that complements her beach attire. She personalizes her beach towel clips with custom designs. Seashell-shaped clips, adorned with charms, or even initials, these practical accessories become an extension of her seaside style, ensuring her towel stays in place with flair. The actress introduces coastal-inspired hand sanitizer holders into her repertoire. Shaped like seashells, starfish, or miniature beach buckets, these holders combine practicality with whimsy, ensuring cleanliness is always in vogue. Apsara Rani extends her beach aesthetic to her hammock, adorning it with embellishments that transform it into a seaside sanctuary. Hanging seashell strings, canopy drapes, and even LED lights turn her beachside relaxation into a visual masterpiece. The actress personalizes her beach sunglasses with customized chains. Beaded, braided, or adorned with tiny charms, these chains not only keep her sunglasses secure but also add a touch of individuality to her eyewear. She incorporates coastal-themed water bottles into her beach accessories. Decorated with seashell patterns, ocean hues, and perhaps a touch of glitter, these bottles make staying hydrated a stylish affair. The actress elevates her yoga routine with beach-themed yoga mats. Featuring serene ocean prints, seahorse patterns, or mandalas inspired by seashells, her yoga practice becomes a harmonious blend of wellness and coastal charm. Apsara personalizes her tech gadgets with coastal prints. From laptop skins to phone wallpapers featuring palm trees, waves, and sandy shores, her digital world becomes an extension of her love for the beach. Apsara Rani offers a diverse collection that blends comfort and style seamlessly. From vibrant one-pieces to chic bikinis, these designs cater to various tastes. The intricate patterns and quality fabrics make each piece a statement on its own. Heading from the water to the lounge area, her flowy cover Apsara must have. These lightweight, sheer fabrics not only provide the perfect amount of coverage but also add a touch of elegance to beach look. The actress offers a range of beachy accessories, from wide-brimmed hats to statement sunglasses. Apsara has an array of sandals and flip-flops that are not only comfortable for sandy strolls but also complement beach attire perfectly. Whether it's boho chic or minimalist elegance, there's a pair for every style preference. To carry all your essentials in style, Apsara Rani offers a range of trendy beach bags. Whether you prefer a straw tote for a bohemian vibe or a chic canvas bag for a modern look, these accessories not only enhance outfit but also provide practicality for a day by the water. For those transitioning from the beach to a beachside cafe, her versatile beach dresses are a game changer. With lightweight fabrics and effortless silhouettes, these dresses effortlessly take from sand to soiree. Floral prints, tie-dye, or solid colors, choose what suits your mood. The actress encourages creativity with its mix and match options. Pair different tops and bottoms to create unique beach ensemble. And there you have it, for Apsara Rani beach fashion. Embrace the sun, sand, and style with these stunning choices. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.